Hello everybody, Steffi here from The Makers. I'm here today because it's a special day, because Tatty Teddy, the Christmas edition 2023, has landed with The Makers on our website, and you can order your kit now directly from us. Now I'm going to do a little sneak peek inside the kit, so you get to find out what you're actually getting when you buy the kit. And then also I will do a little video tutorial on how to needle felt Tatty Teddy's little hat, because it is removable, so he doesn't have to have it on all the time. If he gets a bit hot, he can take it off, but I will show you how to make his little hat in a separate little video. But for now, I'm going to show you the little box. Not so little actually, it's quite a big box. Let's have a look. So this is the box you are getting. And my overhead camera is not working. Oh no, why is that always happening to me? Okay, I am going to have to unplug my overhead camera and plug it back in again, and hope it will work then. So just bear with me a second. Slight glitch. We love these technical glitches. Well, I don't actually, I absolutely hate them, but sometimes they just need to happen. Okay, let's try this again. Fingers crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed. Okay, it's not doing it. Right. I'm just going to see if I can do something else. Just bear with me for a second. I've done this before, but do I remember how I did this? I've absolutely no idea. So what am I going to do? I am going to going to see what I can do. Stay with me here. I try and remember what I've done before. I think no, that's not good. I don't want to do this. No, don't do this. So very annoying. I'm going to try and unplug it again. It's something to do, I think it's got something to do with the actual setup, so I might have to start over. That's not good. Don't want to start over. Okay. No, it's not doing it. That is so annoying. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. I will get it done. I know I've done this before. Activate. Okay. Aha! Aha! I'm a genius. I've done it. Okay. That was not part of the unboxing, and I do apologize, but I've done it. I'm so pleased I did it. Now I remember how to do it in the future. Remind me next time. Deactivate. That's what I need to do, and then activate again. Okay, let's continue. Just ignore that bit. That's just happened. Me to you, Tatty Teddy 2023 Christmas edition. You get in there a big wad of instructions, because everything's so detailed in our instructions that we would not want you to be shortchanged. So step by step, every single bit is explained. Everything, so that you get to make your little Tatty Teddy, all the way to how you make the candy cane and how you make the hat. Best of all, you get these templates on the back. And they are true to size, so when you're needle felting, you can hold your shape against that, and then you know exactly whether you need to add a bit more or felt down a little bit more. And then you have your hat template here on the back as well. Now that one I will be using for the hat tutorial in a minute, but let's see what else is inside the kit. Lovely wool. Now this wool is special because it's a bamboo wool mix, and it has that really lovely sort of variegated look, which gives Tatty Teddy his slightly textured appearance. You also get the little glue in eyes for Tatty Teddy, and I'll show you him in a minute for real. You have 3 felting needles in there that we always put extra in case one of them breaks. Little bit of felt for his little patches on his paws and head and tummy. You're getting a big wool felting mat. Remember, these are our eco wool felting mats, so you can take the sticker off before you use it. You use them on top of each other, and they are made from recycled wool and they're 100% compostable. So that's our contribution towards the environment. In fact, our kit is plastic free. You get the white wool, which you need for the candy cane and for the hat, and the red wool, which you also need for the candy cane and the hat. The grey is for Tatty Teddy's little snout, a little bit of black for the stitches, and a little bit of blue for his blue nose, because he's very well known for that. And then you have one pipe cleaner, which is for making the candy cane. So the candy cane is a very simple method of just wrapping wool around the pipe cleaner, felting it down, adding the stripes, and then bending it into the candy cane shape. Do you want to see Tatty Teddy? Let's have a look at him. He's sitting nicely here. In fact, he's hanging up on his cane on the tree, and he doesn't want to let go, but he has now. Here he goes. So he has got his cane, which you can attach to him. You can pose him in any kind you want to. He could be holding onto his cane. You can hang it up onto the tree, and there he is, all lovely and cozy with his little hat on. Look at him, isn't he the cutest? So I'm going to show you in a short while how you're going to make the little Christmas hat. I am going to just have a quick look if anybody has any questions what you might find inside the kit, because obviously this is live streamed on Facebook. Then do ask the questions, and I'm happy to answer them. So let's have a look if anybody has got any questions. Ask away if you've got questions about Tatty Teddy. Nobody's asking any question, but there's lots of chatter going on, so it's absolutely fine. You don't need to ask any questions. What I want to say is also that Tatty Teddy, because it's a Christmas edition, it doesn't mean to say he's got to be a Christmas bear all year round. He can actually, you can take his candy cane and his hat off, and then you just got an ordinary Tatty Teddy for the rest of the year. So these kits are now available to purchase on our website, so don't hesitate, just get your Tatty Teddy. I know you want to, so that's it basically. So now I'm going to do the tutorial for the hat, and that means that anybody here who's watching live, you stay where you are, but I'm going to just change over my setup here. So don't go away, it's all good. I am just putting the end screen up for 1 minute, but don't go away, stay where you are, and I will be back for the tutorial of making Tatty Teddy's hat. See you in a minute.